Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to find comments on some of your work that you've been doing and then what you do when you see my comment. Okay, so hopefully it looks the same as it does on your screen. I'm not sure exactly. I think they look like this when you get your slides open. So what you're going to do is, if you notice over here, we see this little kind of flag message box right here under slide number 4. So that means that there's a comment on that slide. So if you want to go back for day 1 and look through your slides, and if you see any of those little message boxes, click on that slide and then see my comment. So if I click on slide 4, I see this comment box over here. Okay, so this is telling me to double check your answer for question number 1. So I am telling you that question number 1, something is not quite right. So I want you to double check it and fix it so you're getting the correct answers and you're on the right track. If you're confused by my comment, you can click and a little reply box will pop up. You can type me in a reply if you have a question. If you don't understand what my comment means or you don't understand it, you can type me out a question. Or if you just want to say, okay, fixed it, can you check it again? And click reply. So fixed it, please check it, check again. And then reply, and then it'll tell me that you have a reply. So it looks kind of goofy because it's me to myself, okay? If you don't have any questions, you saw my comment and you fixed it, then you can go ahead and click the resolve and it'll hide it. Only click the resolve if you read my comment and fixed it, please. Don't send the comment away before you do what I asked, okay? I'm trying to make you better. It's important that we're not fixing things. We want to make sure we're getting the right answers so we're on the right track. So if you see a comment, you can click and type a reply if you want. Otherwise, if you see a comment box from me, you can click on it, fix it. And like I said, you can reply. Otherwise, you can resolve the comment. And then it'll just go back over to the side. All right. And now we notice the flag over here went away as well. Another thing, if you want to add a comment for me, you can do that. So maybe for question number 1, maybe you did your best, but you're not sure if you were on the right track. So you can either highlight what you want me to look for and then add a comment. So right up here, it'll say open comment history, and you can click the little plus box and add a comment, and then you can add a comment for me. So maybe you want me to double check an answer or something like that. You can add a comment that you want me to see, and then I will reply, or I'll read it and then I'll either reply or resolve the comment as well. So this week I really want us to be looking for those comments on our reading slides and on our writing slides, or on our writing chart on our journal. Okay, I'm going to be leaving comments for you on your reading slides and in your writing journal this week. So look for these little comment boxes from me. You can reply to them or fix what I asked and then resolve them. Hopefully this video helps. Let me know if you're not sure about my comments, like I said, or if you need some help with anything.